I'm going to make a cheater cord for my welder. As you know, we live off grid. We only have 110, 120 in the house. We don't have 240 for my Lincoln welder. It's just a 220 Lincoln. So I got a couple of parts from the hardware store. A plug-in. And then this plug here. I'm going to make a cheater cord that plugs into that 240 plug on the welder. It's 11,500 watt welder with 9,000 watts of running power, so it should be good. Excuse my messy bench, I'm just out in the tool bus. This is what I got. It's just a range power cord, 5 feet long, number 8 wire, and my welding plug. And this is what screws people up. They say, oh no, 4 plugs, 4 wires, but I only need 3. Well, for 220, you wire up the welding plug, you don't need the white. So I'm going to fold it over and tape it off. And I'll show you how to hook up the USB. This one, of course, is the ground. And then the black and the red are power, and one just goes to each side. But I'll show you better when I get her opened up. So I've took the white wire and bent it back, cut it off, and tape it all the way down. And then it comes in through the bottom here. And your ground, which is this one, sometimes they'll be green. This one's just bare because it's a ground. Goes to the green, and then a red and a black, one goes to each side. Those are your power, 2 hot wires. They're just wired up. Got a 4 plug, but remember you only need the hot wires. I have the neutral folded back and taped. I'm going to cover that up. I just left it open so you can see it. Green to ground and a hot to each side. And there it is. It's plugged into the 240 plug. I could have made one for that plug too, but that one's a little bit better. And then it just plugs into the welder.